One of the things with the car liner was required for Mercedes. We looked at some other, racks. Car liner was more up to date on the beat with the changing of the industry, and they had everything there that we needed. You want to make sure your car is getting repaired by people that know what they're doing. We always like to go in and, whether it's Mercedes or something else, we always like to, pull position statements and see what the manufacturer says how it needs to be repaired. They love to see printouts and know that we did everything that, needed to be done to repair the vehicle properly. I was actually just recently in an accident. I was actually pulling in here to our facility and turning right, and somebody decided to pass me on the right. If I didn't own a shop, it would be scary to take it somewhere and be like, are you going to repair it properly? I have 100% confidence in my guys, and I know it was repaired right. But as a customer, we document everything, and showing the steps that were taken, what was printed out, meant a lot to me. So I can relate with customers when I show them that stuff, So we always like to tell our employees they need to make sure they're, on Mercedes, you do have to get on and do different training and whatnot. There's training for wire repair, there's training for all sorts of things, but we do like to keep them up to date on their training. So I feel like if we have trained technicians and we know what we're talking about when they come in and we're doing a thorough job out in the shop, it's an all win-on-win. Everybody feels differently about certifications. We don't have any DRPs here at the shop. We're an independent shop. Personally, I feel like that's the way that the industry is going to start moving, is going to a certified shop. Somebody that's certified to work on your vehicle, that has, the knowledge. Mercedes they have a new app that they're putting on there for their customers, where if you are in an accident, it's going to alert the Mercedes-Benz dealership. At that point, they will contact you, and then we'll contact the shop as well, so you guys can exchange information. I feel like it gives us a little bit more power when insurance companies are trying to steer everybody left and right and saying, if you go here, they won't cover anything. Saying, okay, well, I am certified and we have the knowledge. I think that helps the customers. They can fight back with their insurance company saying, well, this is where the dealer says that I should take it. We always like to let customers know, even though we work with all insurance companies, one of the things we do as an independent shop is our customers are our customers, rather than insurance companies being our customers. We're up to bat for you. We want to make sure that your car is repaired back to what it was before, and we replace things with OEM parts. So we do what we got to do to do price matching with our vendors, and yeah, we may lose some money here and there in parts, but we're gaining it in trust, and we're fixing it back to how it should be.